Your phone is in your hands all day, but did you actually know that it could be actually paying your bills? I'm going to actually show you 5 ways how you could turn that phone into a moneymaker. If you're new to this channel, I share ways how you can make money with what you already have. The first one that we're going to be talking about is affiliate marketing. If you shop on Amazon just like me, you could get paid to share the products that you already use on a daily basis. First, what you will want to do, you will have to go to Amazon, sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. And when you sign up, you will fill out all the information that you need to fill out to get started. And once you're in your Amazon associate, you will get a unique link. When you get that unique link, that's the key. That's what's going to make you money, is the unique link. So when you have the unique link, you could use it for any product that is on Amazon. You will use that unique link and you will make short reels, and you will put that link inside your description. Under your video, you will put the link right there. So you would direct them there, or you would tell them comment a word down below, and you would send them the link directly to their inbox. When you have the unique link, you will make 7 to 10-second reels, videos, and you will show that product in action. If you look at this video over here, you will see how they're using it, how she's using the product, how she's showing the product, how she said, comment this. When you comment that word, she would DM you the link. And when you click on the link and purchase from the link, she earned commission. So every time when someone buys from your link, you will earn a commission. And people are making thousands of dollars this way by just showing products that they genuinely love. So make sure you pick a product that you already use, you genuinely love, and you got it from Amazon. So it'll be so much easier when you promote it. You already love it, you already use it. So just make a quick little video, 7 to 10-second video, post it, post your link, tell them comment this word, and it's comment decor, for example, and you will send them a DM with that link. Freelance app. That's another way you can make money with just using your phone. If you have a skill, which we all have a skill, just find what skill you have. So if you have a skill like editing, graphic design, social media, writing, any skill that you have, find your skill, and you could earn money from your phone. You can sell it on freelance apps like Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you could do this. Really simple, very straight to the point how you could do it. So what you would do, you would go to Fiverr.com. When you get to Fiverr.com, you will click on this first link right here. When you click on that link, you will sign up. If you do not already have an account, sign up. So when you signed up, you would say become a seller. Okay, you want to become a seller. And then next you would fill out your information, fill out your personal information, your account security, like just fill out all your information that you need to fill out to start selling on Fiverr. Fill out all that information. And then what you would do next, if you do not know like what to say or how to word it or anything like that, ChatGPT will help you out. Go to ChatGPT, tell them exactly what you want to do. I want to post a gig on Fiverr. Tell me about my work history or anything you need to know. Go to ChatGPT so they can assist you and help you out. They could rewrite it, make it sound professional for you. If you're not good with writing, that's not your skill. Be like, okay, how am I gonna write all this? Like all this information. I'm just trying to make money fast. Like I want a fast way. Go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you out to figure it out for you. So this is the description I chose that ChatGPT gave me, and we're gonna just paste it over there to Fiverr. You will see the options chat give you. Make sure you pick the option that it aligns with you, that you feel like you like it. Pick that option, and then you'll copy and you'll paste it and you bring it over there to Fiverr, the one that you actually feel like it aligns with you. Okay, so after you did all of the sign up process for Fiverr, you will now be ready to create your gig. When you're ready to create your gig, it will ask you your gig title. Your gig title do have to begin with I will. So you will say, I will do this, or I will do this. So you will put your gig title there, your category, your search tag, and you would fill out all that information. When you need assistance with anything you're doing with Fiverr, you like, okay, I want to know a good gig title, or you're juggling with different titles in your head, go to ChatGPT, put it in the titles, and let them reword it for you to make it sound good. Okay, so if you need help with your description, tell them what you're trying to say in your description. They will reword it for you in a professional way, and you just copy it, paste it, put it over there, boom, and now your gig is ready to post. Post a gig on Fiverr. Then just wait for your clients to come in. Another way to earn money from your phone is by doing content creation. You are already on social media every day, so why not just earn from it? Content about anything that you enjoy can be monetized. Some examples are cooking, your daily routine, and even a dog page can be monetized. If you check some of these reels out, you will see that they have their own fan base. The cooking one, the dog page. And basically this shows you that anything can be monetized, anything. All you have to do is post 7 to 10-second videos. You could post it on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, even things that you think is boring. People will find joy into it and they will love watching it. So just post it, 7 to 10-second video, and use trending audio, even if you think it's boring. Always remember, people will love to watch your life. Another way that you can make money by just using your phone, that is by print on demand. With print on demand, you design once and you sell it forever. You can design on Canva for free. Use Canva to create your design to upload it on Printify, Teespring, and on Etsy. You do not need inventory to do this. You create the design and you upload it. You do not need any inventory at all. Okay, so now we're going to go view Printify. So when you get here, you will see the screen. You could create your account or log in. Now, if you already have an account, just simply log in. If you do not, on create an account on Printify, once you create the account, answer some few questions about it. After you had created your Printify account, and after you answer the questions, the prompts, you will be directed right into the dashboard of Printify. And when we at the dashboard, you just click on create your first product. And for this example, I have a design that I already created from Canva. It's a candle design. So what I would do, you would click on the candle, click start designing, find the provider. I usually go towards bestsellers, but you can find any one that you want. Make sure they have good ratings, and you will click start designing. Once you click start designing, you will upload your file. After you upload your file, you will see that they create mockups for you as well. So these are the mockups that they had created for the candle. And after they create the mockup, you just save your product. Once you save your product, you connect where you want the product to sell. So you could sell it on all of these platforms that they have listed, or you could sell it on the ones that you want to sell it on, which is like Etsy. You could even sell it on Shopify, and you could connect it. Once you connect it, once it goes over there, once you connect it, they will automatically list your product over there, and you can list the price for your product. So remember, creating a product isn't enough. You have to advertise daily. The important thing is to make sure you buy the product and take your own pictures so they could see it in use in real time. If you I don't have the money for it, I cannot buy the product, then you use the mock-up and do as much mock-ups as you can to make it look as real as possible. Selling digital products is another way that you can make money online with just only using your phone. If you create something that could solve a problem, you can sell it forever as a digital product. Think of planners, budget trackers, wedding templates. These all solve a major problem in people's life at that time. And even your schedule, even your regular life schedule could be helpful to someone else. What you would do, you would design it in Canva and upload it to Etsy. If you do not already have an Etsy account, sign up for an Etsy account and upload that template to Etsy. And it sells automatically. That's income without more work. So these are 5 ways to make money online with just your phone. The key is to start with what you enjoy. If you don't like designing, skip print on demand. If you enjoy filming daily life, then focus on content creation. When you enjoy it, consistency is easier, and then the money will follow right after. Which of these money-making ideas caught your attention? Drop it in the comments below, and I will make a deeper video on that topic. If this video was helpful, subscribe, like, and let me know which method feels right for you. Let's grow together, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.